Hey,
Alright.
this is our huge firecracker party bomb. Let's go try it out.
Lots of jumps of this. Didn't work out too well. It ended up having to take us multiple times to restart it, and it wasn't very entertaining.
You may have seen the video.
We're hoping this one will last a lot longer. See, we got a nice long fuse here.
We have a huge roll of firecrackers. About a 200 roll pack. Here we go.
It has about 175 in it.
175 firecrackers plus
Several extras.
multiples. Why isn't that going, Mitch?
You just have to get it.
Alright, there we go. See if that's gonna work.
Yeah, you have to light the actual fuse. It's right there, see?
Okay. There we go. It's going fast. This is gonna be loud. I can feel that hitting me. That was hitting me.
Oh shit!
Look at that remains. Oh, we still got a couple things that haven't been lit too. Get some of that stuff lit. Get that triangle. Then get that M150.
M150 is his largest firecracker.
Alright, here we go. Oh, geez. Did you see that spark fly?
And it appears like we have...
Well, we got a few little mismatched things here.
You know, we have 3, 4 things.
That's a bottle rocket.
No. Shit, it is.
Nope, it didn't work. But it was a bottle rocket, and it's flying.
And that's it.
We're good. Yep, that
Wait
we're gonna... That's a bottle rocket. That's a bottle rocket. Yep. Oh, it didn't fly though. All right, that's the.
Screamer.
That's another. That's gonna be a screamer. It's not going. Light it.
Oh shit! Can we do that?
Oh shit! That's gonna come at me. Right there. Get that green one.
Wait, I'm trying to look if there's any more.
Right there.
That's the last one.
Here, I'm gonna try something.
Alright, last one.
This is the bottle rocket without the stick. We're gonna try and see if it'll actually fly.
No, we're gonna see the hits.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna
Bottle rocket roulette. Here we go.
run straight up.
See if we can get this to work here. There we go. Here we go. All right, here we go. That was pretty cool. That concludes our firework. That concludes.
Mitch, look down here.
And we will continue to upload videos for you. And that's all.